Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to make a custom resume with image inside PDF document using libraries JSPDF and HTML to Canvas in pure vanilla JavaScript and some HTML and CSS templates. So I have given the link in the video description. You can just go to my blog post. Here I have given all the source code. So let me just explain you step by step. So you can see this is a figure here. This is the resume that you will be producing in the end of the video. So a nice little image here at the left hand side and name, address, all that stuff. So at the bottom of the blog post you will be redirected download full source code. So just go to the video description, just click the blog post and click the download full source link here, and then you will be redirected to this GitHub repository. So what you can do is that you can copy this link address in order to follow along, or you can also download the zip file as well, but I will show you the best approach possible. So what you need to do is that you need to open a directory here inside your desktop directory. So I will make a directory resume. I will go to this directory and then I will use the git command in order to locally download this project inside my computer. So I will go into this directory and I will open this inside Visual Studio Code text editor. So as you can see here, this is the image of the person which is used inside the resume. You can replace this image very easily, and the second file is resume.css and the third file is resume.html. So basically this is a template that we are using in order to build out the resume in PDF document. So if I open this with live server, so you will see this is the resume which is looking here inside our browser here. You can make adjustments here, you can edit this resume, and after that you can click the button here in order to download this as a PDF document, and then you can print it accordingly. So basically it can act as a college resume, job resume as well, school resume as well. So here you can edit this information. Let me replace this by with my image. If I go to my website freemediatools.com, so at the bottom of the website I have my own image. So I can first of all download this image inside the same directory, which is resume profile.jpg. So how to replace this? It is very easy. So let me just show you. The image is available, you can see. So I need to move this. So this is my profile.jpg here, and what you need to do is that inside your resume.html file you just need to replace this path. Simply remove this and replace it with your image. So just copy paste the image and then you can change the path, and if I refresh, you will see this is my image is replaced here. And simply you can change the name, address, all that stuff by yourself. You can change the degree as well, study, training as well. After editing all that stuff, you can click once again to download the edited PDF document. So this is very easy way by which you can just construct a certificate or resume in PDF document using JSPDF and HTML to Canvas library in pure JavaScript, and we are using some HTML and CSS template. This is some CSS code in order to style this resume. Basically this is a template and we are converting this template to PDF document using JSPDF and HTML to Canvas library. So here you can also change the name as well. Let me just change it. So if I change this, so you will see my name is changed, Gautam. Here you can see. So in this way you can do this stuff, guys. It is very easy. The link will be there inside the video description. I have given the blog post link where you can download all the source code. Simply copy paste, or you can download the full source code. And thanks so much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you.